how to reset or retrieve forgotten Hotmail password. So if you want to reset or retrieve your forgotten Hotmail password, then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser, and simply go for the search bar and search for Outlook login. So Hotmail is basically Outlook. Outlook and Hotmail are the same thing. Go for the first search, which is Microsoft.com, and then go for sign in, which will be on the upper right. And here you need to enter your email on the first blank and click on next. And then you need to click on forgot password if you want to reset or retrieve your password. So choose your email address, but if you also have another option like your phone number, then you can choose your phone number. But I'll be choosing email, and then click on get code. And here you will receive a code to the email address that you have just entered. So open up your mail, and here you will have your password reset code. So copy this code and paste it here, and click on next. And then it will take you to reset your password option. So from here you can change or retrieve your password. So enter your new password on the first blank, and then again re-enter your password on the next blank. And once you re-enter or enter your passwords twice on both blanks, then you can click on next, and once you click on next, your account will be retrieved or your password will be reset. So that's it. That's how you reset or retrieve your Hotmail account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.